This is one of the most darling little temples in Tarpon Springs. It was built in celebration to the survival of a woman's child who was gravely ill but survived. Let's tour this amazing shrine. Located in a quaint residential part of Tarpon Springs is St. Michael Shrine. A woman had a sick child. She prayed for a rescue and good health. The child survived and she delivered on her promise and built a beautiful church here in Tarpon Springs. It's very small, very intimate. There's a lot of lush green gardens. The art is rumored to be exquisite, but the architectural simplicity is striking. There are lovely benches. There's also the Greek blue color of the crucifix. There's also administrative and living quarters. Now we are entering the shrine. The wood chapel has beautiful stained glass windows and striking iconic imagery. The shrine is lovingly maintained. Look at the metal prayer charms. People come from all over the world to pray and look for miracles.
So, give me happy. I love you very much. I love you. Thank you.
I'm good. I'm good.